Okay, welcome to this video. Today we will see Gutangira, Gutangisha. I will add also something is like to understand it's come from the two verbs come from Gutanga. In this video, we will see these three verbs and with example. I don't want to speak too much like in the previous video, but what you need to know, you will know it first by example with our teachers. Let's go.
Ntangira iri kete ku mukuru w'akazi. Ntangira iri kete ku mukuru w'akazi. Akira ivyo twatangishije mu bantu bose baje nibi, raba aho ubibika neza.
Okay, let's start first with Gutanga. And it's like in English, is to give. To give, you will say to me, it's like Gua. Yes, it's like synonym. I agree in Kirundi. But here is Gutanga. After the other, in the example with the teacher, we listen that she said Nangira iri kete ku mukuru w'akazi. Like I like to do is like some like small illustration. Here is me in red, and I said to someone here that we are together in which color we can say in yellow to go to the boss for the work in green. It's like okay, I have something here. In blue is my letter. I had my letter, and me I don't want to go there and give like that. Oh yeah, I I want to be there. I give that to him. It's difficult to move. I give him. He receive. He go. He receive. Then he go. For example, okay. You understand what I need to I want to say. It's like you give here, okay, receive. After here, he go, he give to the boss. The boss receive. That is what I wanted to say. Is that very important for Gutangira? After there Gutangisha. Kugira abantu batange canke gufata ikintu bashiramo ivyo batanze. In the previous video, it's one of the previous video, we saw the the causative verb. Here I can say to make, to give. It's like to put someone to give. Kubi abantu batange. It's like to say to the people to give, or you can take something, or they can put what they want to give. It's like okay, there's a lot of people here, and I said okay, to 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 to, to make people give. I think it's very clear like that. Also in the example, akira ivyo twatangishije, it's very important also to understand Gutangisha. If you want to put in past, twatangishije, it's something also difficult to change and to say, okay, in the use also me, I will speak like that. I know the infinitive, but to know the infinitive is one part, and to masterize the passive, the past is another work. Is that why me I put more? I yes, I put more important to the practice because you cannot see everything in theory. No, there are a lot of things. Is that why you will, if you want to see everything in theory after to go in practice, it will be not possible for you. But if you start, okay, I start with what I have, go with the power you have. Is that you need to take the small thing that you know, you put very clear what you know, and you use what you know. And after you had it in practice, Kirundi is like that you can learn a lot of. It's more like to say that I need a book to listen, to listen, to study everything. It's not possible. It's not possible. Me, I took a book to listen to learn Kirundi, to learn English. But to say the truth, if you want to speak Kirundi, you cannot do like that. You need to take formation, you need to speak, you need to use the language. If you don't practice, you will not speak. I don't want to take too much time with that, but it's very important to know that if you want to speak, you need to speak. Okay, thank you.